Your Australia, ladies and gentlemen, the Dodge Ram out of London, Ohio, Razor's Edge. Once again from the London, Ohio area straight west this year. Come on, troublemaker! And that's a good look for John Humphrey. Once again from Bloomingdale, Ohio, the eastern part of the Buckeye State. He is a cabinet maker, driving me. He is a member of the Knox County Fair Board, driving a Dodge Ram, Cummins diesel, called Digging Deep. Come on, hometown boy, Justin Beehiller. Dodge Ram. We got any Dodge Ram fans here tonight? Come on, bowling fans. Root him on. This is a good one. It's called Big Red. Remember the mark to beat is 316.930. Good hook. Coming up next on deck will be Rob Wright, all attitude. In the hole is Lee Burke, hometown boy, with self-destruct. Right now, here comes the 93 Dodge Ram, Thunderstruck. Remember the mark to beat is 319.625. Good run for Thunderstruck out of, he is currently number one in the points race so far this year. A Dodge Ram from MacArthur. It's called All Attitude. Come on. Under his belt this year, called self-destruct. The son of Jack and Lisa Burke. Over on track one, the green flag, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Jeremy Yeager, the Sewer Rat. Limited Pro diesel truck this year from New Philadelphia, Ohio area, a GMC. But right now, Zach Pickerel, a pretty cool dude, ladies and gentlemen. It's called the Ripcord. He is has a wife named Shannon, 3 daughters, Grace, Lindsay, and Leah. Been pulling for over 20 years. Ohio for being our class sponsors on these 2 classes in round 1. On track 2, we are ready to go with the Dodge Ram. Nick Sam out of Bryan, Ohio. After nice and straight, hugging the right side of the Mack trailer pulling track. 2 more to go in the trucking season. An all-new truck, Black Smoke Master. Doing a great job here tonight. Here it comes. Billet Steele from Texas Hill. Jordan Jackson from Connersville, Indiana. A good run for Jordan Jackson. We want to thank him, his girlfriend Mallory Smith, for coming tonight all the way from Indiana. Glad to see him pulling